Look, my mother-in-law is exercising.
That's great.
Zumba.
What time is it now?
What time? It's 9:43 a.m.
Oh, that's great. So,
How about there?
7:43 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, maaga. Where are you from, buddy? Bangladesh?
Yeah, yeah.
Maaga. 3 Bangladesh, 2 hours.
Saudi ang mga layo ate.
How old are you?
I'm 29.
29.
29.
Oh, but you look like 25.
29.
But you look like 25 or 22.
Natapos na. How about you?
I'm 21.
How about you? You're so young.
Yeah. You are 8 years older than me.
Yeah.
I'm young.
I have 2 kids. I have husband.
Do you like game?
Before, but now not really.
Oh, that's
Before I do volleyball and tennis. Before. But now not really because I have kids. I don't have time.
Did you like football game?
Not really. No.
Lilipat kami! Lilipat kami!
Look, my mother-in-law is exercising.
That's great.
Zumba. What is your money there in Bangladesh?
Taka.
You can change.
Taka.
Quiet, baby.
Taka.
What?
Money.
Teka. You know teka? You know teka is Tagalog here? Wait,
Peso.
what's that? Peso? Yeah, peso here.
Sorry?
Peso there?
No. Taka.
Teka. Here is peso.
See, I know.